Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to sync Audible and Kindle. All right, the first thing, if you want to switch seamlessly between reading a Kindle ebook and listening to its Audible audiobook without losing your place, you can do this using the Whisper Sync for Voice feature. And here's how to sync both. So first, make sure that your Kindle ebook and Audible audiobook are associated with the same Amazon account. Now, this is important because Whisper Sync for Voice needs to recognize that the Kindle ebook and Audible audiobook belong to the same account. So next, make sure that you have the Kindle ebook version of the book you want to read. For example, if you head over to Audible and search for your audiobook, ensure that here in Kindle you have the ebook version. So you need to have Audible version and ebook version. Now, however, not every Kindle book has a matching Audible audiobook that supports Whisper Sync for Voice. Now, before purchasing the audiobook, just check the book's product details on Amazon. Look for the audible narration option or the Whisper Sync for Voice indication. I'm searching for audiobook. Um, so let's say you're searching for a book, right? And at the left navigation panel, you have the filter. So you can just check this box that has Whisper Sync for Voice. So check the box and it's going to display options of books that have virtual voice or Whisper Sync for Voice indication. All right. So once you have confirmed that the Kindle ebook rather, and audiobook are compatible, just make sure that you have access to both versions. Okay, let's say for example, this is a book that has Whisper Sync to Voice. So I just click on it. Now, if you already own the Kindle ebook, you may be able to purchase the matching audible narration from the Kindle Books product page by selecting Add Audible Narration and then complete the process. You can also purchase or obtain the audiobook separately through Audible, as long as it is the matching edition that supports Whisper Sync for Voice. All right, I hope you got that. So you can purchase through Audible or you can purchase through Kindle. So here's the book, Waffles and Weekends. I'm heading over to Kindle and I want to browse Waffles and Weekends. So now that I know that Waffles and Weekends supports Whisper, okay, so it's opening up. All right. So here we go. Waffles and Weekends is the same cover. So here we go. So it's the same thing. Let's just go ahead and click on it to open its details page. All right. So here's the Kindle product details page. So you can just go all the way up and click on add an audiobook with virtual voice. Check this box, and once you check this box, then go ahead and click on buy now with one click if you want to. Okay, so now once you have made your purchase, just go ahead and open the Audible app on your compatible device and head over to library. All right, and once you go ahead and click on library, just go ahead and locate the audiobook. Now, once you locate the audiobook, if the title is eligible, Audible will display a Whisper Sync for Voice badge next to the title or cover. So open the audiobook and start listening. And as you listen, Audible will keep track of your listening position. When you stop listening, make sure that your device is connected to the internet so that your latest position can be synchronized. Next thing, you can open the Kindle app on your phone, tablet, or computer and open the compatible Kindle e-reader. So here's Kindle now. that you use to read the book, and make sure that you're signed into the same Amazon account. Then open the matching Kindle ebook. With the Whisper Sync for Voice, your reading and listening position can be synchronized, allowing you to switch between the Audible audiobook and Kindle ebook without manually finding your place. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.